back to another video. Let me hope that you're doing well. It's today. I'm going to show you. It's not a cooking video. I'm just going to show you what I have. Now, this is the backyard. And of course, it's the fall. You see, I have on my hoodie, my sweater rather. It's raining, a bit cold, leaves on the ground. However, if you would come with me, let me show you what I have here. Look at this. It's a pumpkin. Guys, look at this. Ooh, man. Oh my word. So I'm gonna cut it soon, maybe in another video, not today. All right, but this is amazing. Guys, look at the size of this thing. Wow, this is amazing. You know, for the past few years I've been planting pumpkins, but because of the rapid change in the temperature, around about September, early October, everything would just dry down, burn. But this year, I've tried it, and I'm telling you, this is great success. Wow. Wow. Jamaican pumpkin, planted, grow, bear in Canada, in my backyard. This is amazing, man. Okay guys, so as promised, I'm going to cut the pumpkin on video. We're going to cut it together. We want to see what it is like. This is really a big one, like I've showed you before. You know what? I put this on the scale, and guys, you would not imagine. Can you guess with me about how much this pumpkin weighs? Look at it. If you guess 25 pounds, you are correct. 25 solid pounds. So we're gonna cut it together. It's beautiful. Let me hope that it is as beautiful on the inside as it is on the outside. Now, please remember to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, like, and also share it with your family and your friends. Now, this is gonna be fun as we cut together. So, come, let me show you. I know that we have a few beggars already. Kerry, if you're watching, yes. Anne-Marie, Taisha. Is there any other beggars out there? All right, let's do this together. So guys, let's get the cutting going. Want to see what it is like. Ooh. Just gonna cut out a slice. Again, guys, this is from my backyard, from my back garden. Almost there. Almost there. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at this. Look at the thickness. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. Tell me what you think. So, I guess we have soup, pumpkin rice, pumpkin juice, you name it. Whole lot of pumpkin. This is absolutely amazing. So thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Right? Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. 25 pounds pumpkin from my back garden, from my backyard. This is amazing, guys. Wow. Wow. Where is Kerry, Marie, Tisha, Charlotte? All right. Remember to share it with your family and your friends. And let me know what you think about this video. God bless you. Until next time.